Sanibonani, nginibingelele ke igama lami nguNkosi wami kade. Your director, your teacher ke, the one and only founder and CEO of Insika Yesizwe Productions. Bafowethu ke ngiyanamukela on our YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Kuyo yonke into esesiyenzile. You guys have been there for us. And support ngale ndlela exakile here on the channel. Yes, we've been making a lot of changes over the years. Kodwa ke again it's one of those years where we have to make a few changes due to izinto ke ezicelwa inina njengababukeli noma ke inina njengabalandeli bensika yesizwe TV. The next change esizoyenza this year, guys, we've been getting a lot of demands. People actually want i-acting class 102 ukuthi ke ibuye la on the channel. Insika Yesizwe has just made a massive collaboration with another company where I'm partner kuyona ke called the Lu SA Media, which is a company ezobe ikhaverisha mostly of indaba and media stuff, and also ke going to events, making interviews. I know on this channel is now umsebenzi onjalo called Tell Your Story. Well, that's going to change a bit because Ntsika noma iLu SA is going to actually cover all of that stuff, but don't worry, I will not drop the show called I Tell Your Story. It's going to continue here because it's part of your entertainment, and it gives us abantu abazokhuluma nje ngekusasa noma ngezinto ze-entertainment. So we're not going to drop that show. What we are here to talk about namhlanje, we are here to talk about the class abayifunayo abantu called the acting class 102. Izobuya. We will be uploading videos every month, every week. We're going to be having different teachers coming to talk to you guys about umsebenzi we-acting and writing and directing and even editing, because we have my classes editing. So acting class 102 is actually a class elizo cover everything when it comes to acting. So banababhali sizoba nama-editors, sizoba ke nama-actors, sizoba futhi nama-directors azokhuluma la eklasini sikufundisa yonke into ebalulekile when it comes to editing, acting, writing, etc. So this is where you're gonna actually get ithuba lokuthi nawe njengombukeli noma nawe njengomfundi, because useklasini you're going to learn izinto eziningi. Uzokwazi ukuthola ithuba lokuthi usibuze imibuzo if you are live, or you can actually leave ama questions akho la on the comment section. You can even tell us ukuthi ufuna sikhulume ngani on the next class. So it's going to be a very interesting class. Abantu ba last year bayalazi belinama followers amaningi, but we ended up removing it due to ukuthi ke bese sine content eningi la on the channel. But now since sekhona channel esibili ezojuliza umthwalo, isusa umthwalo kwinsika, we can actually bring the class back. Since ke si recruiter noma si regrouper, we got ama group amasha esisanda ukwenza on WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok and all of that stuff. Those people abangalazi leyo class, they will actually get an opportunity ukuthi ke siqale from scratch, because we have ama classes akhona esiwamutile noma ke esiwaprivatizile, but we have to start from scratch nama class amasha nabantu abasha. So guys, please, if usihlala ekhaya njengamanje and you know you wanna act, you know you wanna learn how to do izinto zaka-acting, ufuna ukubhala, ufuna ukufunda uku-edit a certain software, maybe you want to learn Filmora, maybe you want to learn Adobe, maybe you want to learn After Effects, you can just leave ama-comments usho ngiyacela ngiyafisa ukufunda ukubhala, ngiyafisa ukufunda ukwazi ukwenza kanje on acting. So nasizobe sesingena ke thina sibuka ama-comments akho, then we can actually help you ukuthi ufike la ufuna ukufika khona. So guys, mawulalele noma ubuka le video, subscribe, make sure you subscribe on Insika Yesizwe TV and Lu SA Media. We got the links below on the screen, and we also got them kuma comment section. So please guys, subscribe, like and share, because ungalithola ulwazi on the channel wena kodwa khona umuntu ongayazi channel. So make sure you tell people about the acting class 102 and we share ama video so that nabanye abantu bezokwazi ukuthola ithuba to learn njengawe, because we can't always go to my classes, we can't always go to ama workshop. So please guys, let us share, subscribe and like kulama videos kuze sikwazi ukuthi nawe ushare information, ungabe ugombela kwesakho, and also ke help the channel grow ngaphezulu, because now you'll be a shareholder mase uphathi ukuthi manje usuyasikhulisa nathi, and we can actually give you the knowledge that we know that will help you ukwazi futhi noku-interacta with us, cause so wenza ama-live sessions e-studio, sizophinde futhi sibe nama-rehearsals alive. Sine-cast iphelele, we gonna actually record everything, we're gonna document yonke into esiyenzayo, so that sizokwazi ukuphinde sizoyifaka la eklasini ukuze ukwazi ukufunda, ubuze futhi imibuzo ukuthi mekwenzeke kanje kwawenzeke njani, mekwenzeke nje kwawenzeke njani. So guys, please just like, share, comment, and make sure you do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell, because we're going to upload a class every week. Every week we're going to have a new class esi-uploadayo, so you have to have that notification bell iclickiwe, so that uzokwazi na ukubona ukuthi ya-upload insika noma la-upload i-class. Kukhulunywa ngani this weekend, kukhulunywa ngani, we're going to have ama-highlights azokutshela ukuthi ngomgqibelo siyokhuluma ngento ethize, so that you're going to make that time ukuthi nawe uhlale phansi ukwazi uku-attend i-class. Ngisho kuthiwa usemsebenzini, ngisho kuthiwa usekuhambeni, ngisho kuthiwa usemgaqweni, but you're going to actually have indawo yokuthi ukwazi ukuthi u-attend i-class. So please subscribe and press the comment bell laphana ukuze uyithole i-notification mase uploada eklasini. So guys, Insika Yesizwe loves you. LuSA Media yanthanda. Yonke entertainment bafowethu, we have to learn mesifuna ukuya phambili. No one will go phambili ehamba yedwa. We need you, you guys need us, njengo director, njengobafundisi, njengabantu abayokusiza nawe ukuthi ukwazi ukuthola knowledge nathi esinayo sayithola esikoleni. So guys, njengoba ngisho angifuni uba mude kakhulu, this video is supposed to be short. It's just that I'm so excited ngalama classing I've got lined up abantu abasebenze kakhulu nama artists amaningi. Sizobaletha la studio, sizobavashela ke YouTube zabo, sizobavashela ama results, and we're gonna actually come to ama behind the scenes abo besitshela ukuthi benzani, kwenziwani, so that we can actually learn nge-acting. So guys, ngiyanicela subscribe on the channel Insika Yesizwe TV ne-LuSA Media. If you do that, angeke uzisole. Ngiyabonga guys, I will see you kwiclass lokuqala, ngigqoka uthayi, sengikhuluma ngiphethe incwadi zami, sifunda, singena into what is called the entertainment industry. Subscribe, like, share, and make sure ama comments uyawafaka, so that we can actually know ukuthi yini wena ufuna sikhulume ngayo emaklasini ethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you guys.